Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Just a few kilometers south of Creston, in the fertile Creston Valley of southeastern British Columbia, the community of Erickson sits surrounded by orchards, fields, and mountain views. Framed by the Selkirk Mountains to the west and the Purcell Mountains to the east, this small community benefits from a warm, dry climate that makes it one of the most productive agricultural areas in the province. The landscape here feels open and grounded, shaped by both natural forces and generations of farming. Before settlers arrived, the valley was part of the traditional territory of the Ktunaxa people, who lived in close relationship with the land and waterways. The nearby Kootenay River and surrounding wetlands provided fish, wildlife, and plant resources that supported their way of life. These natural systems still define the valley today, even as the land has been adapted for agriculture over the past century. Erickson itself developed in the early 1900s as part of a broader wave of settlement in the Creston Valley. As farmland expanded, the need for smaller communities grew, and Erickson became a hub for local farmers. Like many rural communities of the time, it grew steadily around agriculture, transportation routes, and basic services that supported daily life. One of the defining changes to the region came through large-scale drainage and diking projects in the early 20th century. These efforts controlled seasonal flooding from the Kootenay River and transformed wetlands into arable farmland. This made it possible for places like Erickson to flourish, turning what was once marshy ground into productive orchards and fields that remain central to the local economy. Agriculture has always been at the heart of Erickson. The area is especially known for its fruit production, including cherries, apples, peaches, and plums. In fact, Erickson is often associated with some of the earliest cherry harvests in Canada, thanks to its favorable climate. Alongside fruit growing, dairy farming, and other agricultural activities have also played a role in shaping the community over the years. As the decades passed, Erickson maintained its identity as a small, close-knit farming community. While nearby, Creston developed into a larger service center, Erickson remained quieter and more rural, with a landscape defined by family farms and open space. The surrounding region adds to Erickson's character. The Creston Valley Wildlife Management Area, established in 1968, preserves part of the original wetlands and provides important habitat for migratory birds and other wildlife. This balance between cultivated land and protected natural areas reflects an ongoing effort to respect the environment while supporting agriculture. Today, Erickson continues to reflect its agricultural roots while adapting to modern life. Local markets, roadside stands, and seasonal harvests remain an important part of the experience here. Erickson may be small, but it represents something enduring about the Creston Valley. It's a place shaped by hard work, natural abundance, and a deep connection to the land. For those passing through, Erickson offers a glimpse into a way of life that has remained steady over time.
Thank you very much.